My name is James O'Neill. I studied physics at UCC, and now I'm a Linux engineer at Apple. So I work within the technology industry, and specifically within IT, within the tech industry. So I get to work with computers, which I really like. There's a lot of learning as well, because technology is constantly changing and evolving. So there's a big push to constantly learn and adapt, which was something that I really fostered when studying physics at UCC, was that constant pushing of the boundaries of knowledge. I think that physics is quite broad in where it can take you. Where it shines the most is it's really good at developing a mindset for problem solving. In particular in physics, you're given problems you usually don't know the answers to. So you need to go away, you need to try, you need to fail, you need to research, you need to discuss with your peers to try and come to a solution. I think that mindset works in many industries. Within the tech industry in particular, I'm constantly every day fixed with, okay, you have this issue, you need to find a solution to it. And I think that physics really built up a dedication to working towards how can we resolve this problem? How can we resolve this issue? I think what really excited me about studying physics was sort of an understanding of the world. When I was a teenager, I used to make video games, and then I realized if I learned some physics, I could make the video games more realistic. I think definitely the societies. UCC has a lot of societies, so no matter what interest you have, there's bound to be something that you'd find. Related to physics, there's the Physics and Astronomy Society here at UCC, or PhysSoc for short. A fantastic resource for physics students, or just people with a general interest in physics or astronomy. You should try and seize all opportunities you encounter with an open mind. In particular, I think you should try and look at doing some internships while you're at college during the summer months. It's a great way not only to get new items for your CV, but also to try and investigate what kind of work you'd like to do after you graduate. I myself did 2 different internships while I was here at UCC. In second year, during the summer, I took an internship at the Max Planck Institute for Plasma Physics in Germany, where I got to work on site at a real research facility where they have an experimental nuclear fusion reactor. So that was very interesting from a physics point of view. And then in third year, I took an internship at a local company here in Cork, working as a software developer in cloud computing. And this is really what made me decide I want to go into the tech sphere and do jobs that have more programming as part of them. I would say that studying physics is very interesting. It can often be challenging. There's a lot to learn. I think you have to have a passion not only for science, but also for the maths behind it. But I do think, just like working through a problem and getting to a solution, it's ultimately very rewarding.